children, how are you all? Today I am back with another interesting video. In this video I am going to conduct a session related to number planet. In number planet we are going to understand the concept of same and different. I will explain you what is the meaning of same. Same means something that looks exactly like the thing which is mentioned previously. For example, I have this chocolate. Now, this chocolate has a red color wrapper and you can see the written content, the shape of this chocolate and the size. So, this is one chocolate which I am talking about. Now, I will show you another chocolate. This one. Now, you can understand that this chocolate looks exactly like the chocolate which I was talking about, which I mentioned previously. So, the size of this chocolate, shape of this chocolate, written content, wrapper of this chocolate, everything matches with this one. So, when you see two or more than two things looks similar, then we can say the things are same. So, this chocolate and this chocolate, both these chocolates are same. Now I will keep these chocolates here and will show you this one. This is also a chocolate, but as you can see, the size of this chocolate, wrapper of this chocolate, color, these things are different. Now for that, what you need to do? You need to observe these chocolates. As you can see, this chocolate has red color wrapper. This chocolate has brown color wrapper. The design and pattern along with the written content are different. Here and here, the size of these chocolates are also different. So, we can say that these two chocolates are same, but this chocolate is different. So, the meaning of different means when you have something which does not have the similar shape, size, texture or pattern on it, we can say that is different from the other one. Now, I will give you few more examples. For that, I have these glue bottles. Now you can see that these two glue bottles are of white color. Now the cap of these bottles are blue. The upper lid of these bottles are transparent. And one more thing, we can see that the stickers on this bottle and written content are also same. The capacity and size of these bottles are also same. Now I have another glue. As you can see, these are glue bottles. This is also a type of glue, but this glue is different from these two glue bottles. How? This glue is a glue stick, and in these bottles we have liquid glue. The size of this bottle, this cap, shape, color, everything is different. So we can say that these bottles are same, but this one is different. Now another example, I have this battery cells. Now as you can see that this cell has red and golden color, and the size of both the cells are same. This one looks exactly like this one. So when both the cells look same, we can say that these batteries are same. But when I take this cell, you can see that this one is smaller and thinner. So these two are same, but this is different. Now we will talk about the same thing which is easily available at your home. Now this is a glass. You can see that this is a transparent glass and we have few patterns on it, right? Now the understanding about same and different is based on observation. Now whatever things you see, you need to observe it carefully. Now you can observe the size of the glass, shape of the glass, texture on the glass, and patterns, right? Now this glass has the same shape. It has the same pattern. It has the same capacity. So we can say that both these glasses are same. Now I will keep these glasses here. I will take another glass. So you can see that when these two glasses are same, this glass is different. Now we will understand how this glass is different. When you keep this glass near, you can observe that this glass is taller. Although the capacity of these three glasses are same, but because of its shape, it is different from these two. The design on this glass and texture is also different. So these two glasses are same, but this one is different. Now we'll talk about books. You can easily get books from your home, right? So here I have these two books. You can see that both the books are of same color. Which color is this? Brown color. So children, this book cover is brown and you can see that the shape of this book is rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Now look at this book. This book is also rectangle. So both the books carry same shape and same color. But what about the size? We need to see the size. Let us check. We'll keep these books like this and see that the size is also same, right? So both these books are same. We'll keep these books here. We'll take this one. Now, the shape of this book is rectangle. The size of this book are also same. So when shape and sizes are same, what we can say? Is it same? The shape and size is same, but still this book is different from both these books. How? Because this book has not any brown color cover. The color of this book is grey. So these two books are same, but this book is different. Now I have this masala packs. Now I want you all to observe this masala pack. Here you can see that the written content, picture, color of this box and size, everything is similar to this box, right? Both the boxes are of same shape, size, written content, pictures, everything is same. But when we talk about this masala box, you can see that the size is same, shape is same, but the written content here and this picture is different. So these masala packs are same, but this one is different. Same way, you can see this mask. Now I have these two masks. You can observe the color of this mask, shape of this mask, and you can also feel the texture of this mask. So both these masks are of blue color, rectangle shape, and the texture is different, same. But when I talk about this mask, as you can see, this is also a mask, but the color, the design, texture, all these things are different. So when these two masks are same, this mask is different. So children, I hope you understood the concept of same and different. At your home, you can find many things which looks exactly like the things which you have extra at home. So you can match those things, keep the things aside which is similar, and you can separate the things which are different from that. So you can play with the toys and other things also. I hope you like this activity and you will do this activity at your home with your parents. So bye bye for now.